My name is Elisa, and today is approximately day 10 of my 30 days of work with me challenge. I'm a top seller on Etsy in the top 1%. I've been selling for the last 18 years. I sell on eBay, Etsy, Amazon, and I have my own website via Shopify. So if you want to see a true behind the scenes look at how I hand make my goods and the revenue that it brings in, the outfit today we're making actually sold for $113.47. So if you're ready to work smarter, not harder, make sets and combinations, and learn a little bit about how a top seller works, then this is a video for you. My name is Elisa. Let's get to work. Okay, so we're gonna start with the sheet that I made upstairs. If you watched day 7, you saw me use my large format printer and make and print these skates. So that's what we're using today for the birthday shirt that I'm making. I also have used my Graph Tech machine to cut out the glitter vinyl, and I'm going to be looking for the words rolling into birthday, and I'm going to also pick out her birthday age. So I'm going to lay all my elements onto my heat press. I kind of use it as a table as well. So as you can see, I've already weeded out the 8, and the shirt that I'm using has a lot of fibers in it. So I'm going to roll out all the extra fibers that I don't need, because you want to make sure everything is really clean. I've already pressed rolling onto the shirt. So I'm going to add the word into, and I'm going to add the birthday number 8 here as well. I'm going to use my heat tape to seal this down, because I want to make sure that this design doesn't move when I'm pressing it. That's the worst thing that can happen, is that your design shifts as you're pressing. I'm going to make sure that my shirt is straight, that the number 8 is straight. So I'm using my ruler to level that out, and then I'm going to just center everything. Now I make these shirts probably 40-50 times a month, so I pretty much eyeball everything because I've done it for so long. I designed it when I first made it in Photoshop, and then I do it almost every day. So I am going to tape down the star here on the skate and just make sure that my shirt is straight on the table. I am double checking everything, because once I heat press the shirt, there's no going back. So I'm using a temperature of 330 degrees for about 23 seconds. And once this is done, I'm going to check that my design looks good. So I'm going to peel off the heat resistant tape, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Isn't that pretty? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the sleeve, and I'm going to put my logo onto the sleeve. I find that this is really good for me. It's just like having a logo for Nike or anything that you wear. You want to make your own logo if you can. My printing equipment allows me to do that. Since I sell special occasion clothing, it's really cool, because when the birthday girl is at the party, people go, "Where'd you get your shirt?" It's something that's never forgotten. It's on the shoulder. It's cute. It's small. It's not going to interfere too much with the design. So anyway, I'm going to use a pressing pillow here to kind of lift the design, just to give it some more pressure. And I really want to get that down onto the shirt nicely. I'm putting back some of the components I don't need. I have drawers under this desk that house all of my different elements. So I'm going to remove the pressing pillow and the shirt spreader, peeling off the heat tape, and then what I'm going to do is cut off the label that was originally on there, because now this is custom made by me. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to stitch it, switch out the top label with my personalized label into the shirt. So what I'm doing now is I am pressing the skirt. It is made of tulle. It's 100% polyester, so I want to get the wrinkles out. So I am adding some Downy wrinkle release as well as some light heat to the tool. So we've got the socks. I went in the other room and sewed the bow that matches. So you can see here, they both match. And then I've got the shirt, okay? So this shirt is not personalized, which is an option. They don't have to have a name on it if they don't want to. And now I'm making the matching skirt. I'm getting the wrinkles out, and I have the birthday number on the skirt as well. That matches everything else. So I have a complete outfit, and that's how you make over $100 if you're trying to sell a set. Okay. So you'll notice I use the same elements on all of the matching items. That makes it a lot easier for inventory. And I printed everything upstairs on my commercial, that's not really a commercial, but it's my large format printer, which I talked about a few days ago, and I did a loading of the machine when I needed these designs. So that's nice and straight. So we've got all the matching pieces right here. Okay, so I'm going to take my cover picture here. Let's see if I can get it right. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to take this off the board. I use this board so that I can stretch out the elastic waistband so that when it's worn, it doesn't crack the element that I added onto the skirt. I'm going to pack everything up, get it off to the customer, and then I'm going to take a photograph and let them know that I've completed their outfit so that they know that it's on the way and they can visually see it, which really helps. People love that if you send them a photograph. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add a QR code into the package off of one of these labels here, which when it's scanned, it'll go directly to my website, where on this sheet here, it says, you know, that if you want to scan this, it'll show you my full selections of products that I have to offer. I also talked about that in one of the work days here about how you want to get the customer to see more items. I have items that I cannot sell on Etsy because they are licensed products or products that are from other distributors or manufacturers, like my Loungefly and Funko products. So I want people to see other things that I have to offer that I don't sell on the Etsy platform, that maybe I sell on Amazon or eBay because of what it is. So I'm gonna package all this up for the customer. Let me tilt this here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this out into the other room, get it put together. Got their socks. I've got all 4 pieces here. These 4 pieces right here bring in, let's see, because I know I have a sale running. Let's see what the total was. Okay, $113.47. That is the revenue for this product here, this outfit that you just watched me make. If you want to watch more work with me videos and see how I make my top selling outfits, then go ahead and click on the playlist. Again, this outfit brought in a revenue of $113 and I believe it was 47 cents. By making sets, combinations, that's how I get top dollar for my outfits, and you can, you know, garner a higher price point. So I hope this helps. I hope you can see that you can make your outfits too. You can do it. So I make everything myself. I've been doing this for 18 years and I didn't start this way, but you know what? It's okay. You're starting somewhere. So I hope I inspired you to just go for it. Keep doing well, working, and building your own brand. I'm Elisa, and thank you for watching my channel.